Hey, this is Wayne here with Tri-County Locksmith, and we're going to be going over how to cut an H keyway, Q-blank GM key. This is the card you're going to need. You're going to need card number 25. You're supposed to use the cutter CW1011. I don't have that particular cutter, but the which one is this here? This is the 14 MC. Will still do it, and it will still work. So. Managed to scrounge up an H key blank right here. It's the last one I had on my tryout keys, so we're just going to insert this in here, just like so. And we're going to spool this out, line it up. Just set that right there for a second until I get this thing all set up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn the machine on, and see, our cuts are going to be 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 1 on an H keyway here. So number 1 is going to be a 4. That's not even going to really be a cut. Just barely touch it. Okay. It's going to drop out of there. Put it up on the burr here. And then we'll take a look at that up close. That's what it's going to look like. And that's how we cut the GM H keyway on a HPC Blitz machine with C25 card.